Oh boy, we're going catfishing. You kitty, kitty, kitty. What do you mean it's a fish? Hey Brittany, we're fishing out here today at Elm Creek. It's a windy day. Got a drift sock out. Just drifting along, and the drift sock's helping us stay nice and slow drifting like. Using our invention, planer bobbers. Been out here about 6 or 7 minutes. Got out both our lines in the water. Using a trolling motor to help keep us along course. It's a nice cliff wall. Nice day, except for all the wind. Uh-oh, there goes one. We don't have our tripod, so we're going to set this up here. Hope for the best. Fish on. Alright, we got a fish, Brittany. First fish of the day. Here it comes. Look at that. It's a tail catfish. Look at that, Brittany. It's not very big, but still was fun, huh? What do you think? Yeah? Oh, he's talking. What's he saying? What's he saying? Really? What else? So you got caught on a planer bobber. Ha ha ha. We got you, catfish. We just got a savage strike there. Woo! This might be a big fish, people. It's in a good spot there. Oh, we had nothing hit like that in a while around here. What do you suppose it is, Brett? Let's turn that clicker off. Man, did he slam that thing! Let's get the camera closer here. Yeah. Again, super slow drift planer bobbers. Woo! That's gotta be a big fish. Whoa! It's a good size one. We'll get him in here in the boat. He's spinning the boat around. Woo! Let's get up. Look at him here, huh? That's a little bit bigger fish. Yeah. No, he said blah. Okay, let's get him in here and get a look. Well, that's a little better fish, isn't it? Yeah? We could go about 7 or 8 pounds. Once again, super slow drift planer bobbers. Why do we make them? So you can have them. Why do I use them? Because they catch fish, see? How do I know they catch fish? Oh yeah, we just do. See, you caught one right there. What do you think, Brittany? Boy, she's lazy, isn't she? She slept through that whole thing. Alright, we're going to talk about planer bobbers a little bit here today. These are the super slow drift planer bobbers. They've been catching the heck out of fish all day here. Matter of fact, they've been catching fish for about the last 3 years now. How do I know? Because I invented them. And why did I invent them? Because they catch fish. Yeah. Why do I sell them? So you can buy them. Yeah, right on. At any rate, we're out here. It's starting to get a little bit dark. We may well stay into the dark tonight. We're slow trolling here using the electric trolling motor. Going through a stump field, about 3 to 4 feet of water. Planer bobbers are set down about 3 feet below the planer. I'm using cut fresh shad for bait. Brittany's laying on the floor passed out, and we're catching fish. We've got 3 of them, or 4 of them so far. Lost one right at the boat side. Hopefully we'll get something really big. We got 7 or 8 pounder there. And don't forget the new item we got for sale on the site there. It's Jinky Joe's Alien Bomb. There they are. They glow in the dark, and they look kind of like bass, little baby bass. And everything eats little baby bass, I can promise you that. So that's a new top water lure that we got. Fish on, everybody. We got another one on, Brett. Get this make 4. He's pulling pretty hard, Brittany. Well, but he's not very big. We're going to pull him right into the boat. There we go. Number 4 or 5 there, huh? Yeah, there he is on Super Slow Drift Planer Bobber. Well, it's time for us to head on back to the ramp there. Load the boat on the trailer. Hope you enjoyed the trip as much as Brittany and I did. Don't forget to buy your planer bobbers. www.bitasense.com. Thanks for watching.